Hi everyone, welcome to another Odoo tutorial. Today we are diving into EDI or electronic data interchange, a key feature for automating business document exchanges in Odoo. We'll start with a quick explanation of what EDI is, then look at its benefits and common use case, and finally we will discuss how Odoo supports EDI and how OCA created a different tool. In next videos, we will see complete examples using the OCA framework. But what is EDI? Well, EDI is the digital exchange of structured business documents between organizations using standardized formats. It is important to know that usually EDI is sent to other organizations, and we are using standardized formats. And by formats, we are talking about common standards like EDIFACT or UBL. There are other formats that might be more local, like Facturae in Spain, but the most common are these. But what are the benefits of EDI? Well, EDI allows us to eliminate manual data entry and speed up workflows. By speeding it up and removing the human factor, we are reducing errors in processing these documents. And we are ensuring compatibility between different systems and different organizations. And by all of this, we are cutting down our administrative costs by digitizing processes. But what are a common use case of EDI? Well, one example might be for procurement. For example, we can automate the purchase order creation and confirmation, and also we can automate the sale orders. Another example might go for invoicing. For example, we can send electronic invoices to our customers, and then when they have received them and processed them, they can send us the expected date of payment. Another example might get into logistics by sending and receiving shipping documents. This way, we have a better approach of what are our stocks. But what is Odoo offering in its core? Well, Odoo have an EDI framework, but it's only related to account moves or invoices. It is really useful when we are trying to manage this kind of documents, but will not work for other documents. For this reason, in OCA, we created a specific framework. The story behind it is really interesting. At some point, Simone and myself developed two Odoo modules with the same purpose just 10 hours apart. When we both saw the work of each other, we decided to talk about it and created the EDI framework as we know it. Right now, the EDI framework of OCA has four main models. The first one is the backend type. The backend type is a kind of document that allows us to group all the EDI records. We also have the EDI exchange type. This exchange type configures the format itself and defines how this document will go. For example, for sale orders, we are expecting sale orders to be an input. What does it mean? That we are expecting to receive sale orders from our customers. And another example will go to purchase orders. We are usually sending the purchase orders to our suppliers to ask quotations. Another record that is really important in the EDI framework is the backend. The backend allows us to define how these documents are exchanged. For example, we could have an FTP configuration or an API that will send these documents. Also, these backends can be used to receive documents by using the same FTP. And last, we have the exchange records. An exchange record is a specific document that we have received or sent. So when we decide to send a document, what we usually do is to create the exchange record. Then the system will check which exchange type we defined on the record and will create the specific document. And then using the backend, we will send it. Another example will be the receival. When we are receiving a document, the backend will receive the document and create the exchange record. Then the exchange type, using the exchange type, we will process it and we will do some actions in our system. So, for example, when a purchase order is confirmed in Odoo, an EDI flow can automatically generate a, a request to our supplier in UBL in order to simplify the process. This way, we are avoiding to send emails to our customers and we can receive a much better information from them. Thanks for watching and see you next time.